Hi, it's Mike, Found with DIY-TV, and today we're just doing a truck dump. So everything I keep in my truck to sort of be prepared. Over the years, I've collected a lot of stuff in here. So I said, you know what, today I'm gonna go through everything and see what I have. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna start with underneath my seat. So I have this Tuffy storage box. They make these in like 2/3, or it can go all the way under the seat. I just have this one. It's actually lockable, which is really nice. I'll put actually a link to this down below. It's really nice. But in here I keep basically a bag. This is kind of like a sling bag. All right. I have a jump box just in case the battery dies. And I have redundancy. I have 2 of those actually. I have my lock pins. I have an extra set of wiper blades. This is in case something happens to the existing wiper blades. I have this is not a Palmetto State. This is actually just a first aid kit, and I actually added a lot of extra things to this. I have this is a lock pit kit. So this was basically, a lot of stuff is just lesson learned, things I was like kind of kept out. So it's got plastic wedges in it, and this allows you to basically open up a door and get into something if you ever lock yourself out. I was in a case where we were pretty much in the middle of nowhere, and someone I was with locked their keys in their car. So ever since then, I have one of those. Like I said, a lot of lesson learned. Then I have this. This is just a general tool bag. So I got flashlight, tourniquet, warm blankets. So I have a family, so I have a bunch of those. I have another tourniquet. This is like a scarf, rope. I have little snacks and chewies all over the truck. Roll of duct tape. This is good duct tape. Safety glasses, extra bag, extra trash bag, extra screwdriver, and you're gonna see tools all over, but I have a set of tools in here, super glue, carabiner. And we're trying to go through this a lot because I have stuff back here, I have stuff all over. A lot of zip ties, more duct tape with some razor blades, fire starter, and I keep the batteries outside of the devices. You know, they don't like discharge, like get turned on by mistake. A bunch of carabiners, a pencil in case I need to write something. That's pretty much everything in this bag. All right, so I can put that all back later. So that's kind of like in this area, and this is lockable as well. So I can put other things in there that I need to lock up. All right, I keep a lot of, I don't know what that is. So more chewies, more food that I keep in a bag. All right, this has probably all been melted and non-melted, but I put this in here, and I usually label food. I think it says 2021. No, there's no way. It's 2024, maybe. This is a sinus. I have kind of messed up sinuses, so I always have an extra rinse if I'm doing anything dusty. I want to get all that out of here. I have a lot of water, Powerade, and I keep them in here. Tissues, more zip ties. These things are really invaluable. Loctite. I'm not Loctite, Fix-A-Flat, and it looks like it's been dented a lot. It's not good. More water, ice scraper. Now this is actually kind of another lesson learned. So this is actually for females if they need to use the bathroom, like in the vehicle, if they get stuck. My mom actually got stuck on the turnpike a long time ago in a bad storm, and this is something I kind of learned from that. So you take this, actually, you empty one of these water bottles, and you put this on there, and then a female can go to the bathroom in here. I have wife, daughters, so I thought that was a good thing to have in here, okay, for them. So that's what I have here. I probably can organize this a lot better. It's actually my plan for today. This is really all over the place. All right, now, normal Ford pickup truck, you can't get to the back here, but there's a lot of storage here. And I'll put a link to this latch, but this latch allows you to easily open up and bring it down. So you can see in here I have a lot of stuff. So I have jumper cables, and I have a lot of extra clothes, okay? So imagine you get stuck and you're with your family and you guys are getting cold. So I have a lot of extra clothes here. Also, this stuff's good if you need to throw something down on the ground when you're changing a tire or something. This is a shovel kit. So imagine, you're not going to dig yourself out of a giant hole, but let's say you get stuck. This is a collapsible, shovel. So again, you're not, we're not changing the world here with this shovel, but this would be good if you needed to get yourself out of something, you got stuck or whatever. This is actually a poncho, I think. This is a netting for the back of my truck. So if I have a load that's bigger than the bed of the truck, this is sort of just a big net to hold everything down with a bunch of extra carabiners. Okay. I know I have tools, but this is kind of, I bought this for this primary reason. I looked around, I didn't want to get anything crazy, but this thing, this little storage, I'm sorry, this little kit is actually pretty good if you look at it. So of course it's got all the sockets, but on top of it, it's got a screwdriver with all the bits. It's actually even got torque bits for like things like here. I got all the extensions. I got nut drivers up here that fit into this. I can also get them into here. I got some Allen keys. You saw I have Allen keys before, extensions and reducers. So this thing's actually pretty cool. You know, this is good for the truck, but this is also, imagine you're out like at an Airbnb or something breaks and you need to fix something. You know, you need a kind of a toolkit. All right, and that's the last thing in here. I have some more gloves, a pair of extra socks. This is very important. So this is actually in with my tire. So if you ever have to change a tire, you really should put something like this on. Just have it in your truck or car or whatever. Save your life. I'll put a link to this latch down below. This is actually very, very nice. This is like long-term storage. This is all stuff I really don't need to get to that often. You know what? I'm gonna put this lock pick kit back here. I'm gonna put the jump pack. That all go. Let me see what I got in here. This is like a little mini bag, go bag or whatever. Okay, so I have extra shirt in here. I think I have earplugs, pepper spray, hand sanitizer, and a knife, and acids. You know, maybe you're going for like a mini hike or you're going somewhere with your kids. You put a water bottle here. This thing's actually really cool. I like this little bag. It's like a sling bag. Put all kinds of stuff in there. On my door, I have a drill. This is actually the drill to take the cap, the protective cap on my fuel wheels. So there's a plastic cap and it uses this Allen key. So what I did was I took the Allen key that it came with, I just cut it flat so I can get in there and unscrew the cap to get to the lug nuts. This always stays in my truck. You're gonna see this. I keep gloves all over the truck. All right, so in here, vest. This is a pump in case you get a flat and you need to pump up your tire or whatever. I have a patch kit, all right? So imagine you get a flat and then you get another flat, right? So this is like redundancy. So you can fix the flat, then you can pump up the tire. I also have a can to fix a flat. My jack is here with some rags around it. There's nothing really up here to show you. I do have this all-weather mat. This is actually a gift. I love it. Came from my neighbor. Actually, these hooks are nice for Yetis. So I have these on the back side. Also good for bags and purses and things like that. For the girls, hand sanitizer. What's in the back of the truck? Here I have a moving blanket, some mattress straps, and I have this. And this has all my like towing stuff in it, straps and stuff like that. I'm not gonna get this all out, but there's all kinds of stuff like that. Just tie downs, carabiners, things like that. All right, this is gonna be scary. In here, stuff to clean out your nose, radar detector, a ticket, a book. So what I do here is, in this book, I write down all of my maintenances. Okay, so when I did my oil, brakes and rotors, when they were put on, who put them on, what day, at what mileage, all right, rotated the tires. And I keep one of these little books in every one of my vehicles, so I know what's going on. Let's see what else we have. We have some liquid IV, it's like electrolyte stuff, beef jerky, and what else? Another tourniquet, and some more gloves, okay? This all stays and lives in here. More Chewies, more food. All right, so we'll start from the driver's door. So from the driver's door, more gloves, a rag, and underneath all of that, so I keep this from banging around my car, this is a glass breaker, okay, and a seatbelt cutter. All right, so I have this right in my pocket. I always know where it's at, and I have them basically this wedged in there, because in case, you know, when you're gonna need this, in case of a roller or something like that. Really what I should do is have this mounted actually somewhere so it doesn't just go flying and I can't find it, but I have this basically wedged in my door underneath these things. This is an extra pair of USA glasses. Never know when you need to style. let's see. So I have these leather gloves. All right, I have my tray, which has my Easy Pass, some extra Johns, knife, what have you. Okay. Now I actually just installed this today. It's kind of giving me the idea to maybe go through my truck and clean some stuff out. But first, before I do that, I want to know what I have. I have a safe in here. Okay. In here I keep antacids. I keep another pair of winter gloves. You know, I got a family, so I know it seems like a lot of gloves. It is, but I also have a lot of people that, you know, might need to help me or something like that. So hand sanitizer, lotion, more drinks. This is all extra cables, a little Metallica, and drum roll. This is just a little kind of box just to keep little stuff organized. So in here I have some like Tylenol. This is actually a mixture of ibuprofen, Tylenol, some lip balm, a lighter, hand sanitizer, a marker for maybe writing notes, right? If something happens, you can write it. I mean, I can even write it here. I have some extra allergy medication. I have tire gauge, another pen, another Allen key to take the cover off my wheels to get to my lug nuts. And I have the screwdriver, don't know why. And then some antiseptic towels and more antacids, geez. And a couple dollars, that's it. So that's what's in here. It's just like a little kit to keep all this stuff. And then the safe, like I said, this is made by Tuffy. Actually really cool, really nice. I'm really digging it. I'll put a link to this down below too. It's lockable, combination lock. You can also get a key. So I don't know what this is. This is some kind of thing to hold my Yetis. I have the big Yetis. And for some reason, they big Ford trucks, they have little tiny cup holders. Come on, Ford. I don't get it. So I can't put my Yeti in here. So I got to buy this stupid contraption. And then this kind of sits in here. I don't know why I got all these pens. Tape measure. So I leave a small tape measure. This is for if I go to Home Depot, Lowe's, and I need to bring this in with me. I just keep this junky one in here. Another thing too is I keep my registration insurance card. I don't keep it in my glove box. When you need this, obviously you're getting pulled over. You don't need to be rifling around your truck. Okay. So I leave this all up here, very easily accessible. I can hand it off and everyone's comfortable. Okay. So that's why I leave my stuff there. And that is pretty much it. What am I missing? What am I missing in my truck? I didn't even realize I had this much stuff in here. This is kind of ever evolving and I'm always adding and taking stuff away. I'm just trying to be prepared here. So what am I missing? Let me know down in the comments. I'll put a link to a bunch of this stuff down in the description below. So if you're interested in picking any of that up, I'll put it in the description. But please hit subscribe, please hit like. I'm Mike, Family DIY TV, and I gotta go clean my truck and I'm out.